Hello everyone. In this video we will see how can we set up our first mid server on Windows machine. For this you can use your own personal laptop or PC. Please ensure you have the admin access on your PC or if it's your company laptop. So let's get started. So first of all, on the menu type item and go to item guided setup. So once it's loaded, click on get started and you can see the first step, the mid server. You can again click on get started and you see here create a new mid server user. So you will have to create a new user for this and it will be assigned automatically the mid server role. So I'll go and click on configure and I'll name it as maybe mid server user. Okay, and I'll give a password. Okay, so the mid server user is created and I'll mark this step as complete. Moving on to the second step, you can see we have to download and install mid. I'll again click on configure and according to my machine and what kind of mid server I need, if I want a Linux mid server or I need a Windows mid server. So I'll just install Windows 64-bit and you can see it has started downloading. So once it is loaded, I will go to the folder and I will extract it. So once it is extracted, let's go to the folder and we will go into this folder. We'll go to agent and then I will double click on installer.bat. It might take a while. So now you can see a pop-up has opened and I have to give my instance name here and I will give it as, I'll just update this part. Okay, and I have to give my mid server username, so you remember we created one user. I'll go, okay, and I will give the password. So if you are using proxy on your machine, then you can give your proxy host name, port name, username and password. As this is my personal laptop, I'm not using any proxy, and I'll say test connection. And when the connection is successful, I can actually click on next and give additional details. So you can see it has been successful. I'll click next and you can see we can give the mid server name. I can say mid server Windows. Okay, and then click next and it will confirm the summary and we have to click next and we can say start mid server and then I'll click yes. I'll exit this and I'll go to mid server and now you can see and the mid server is up and the host name is picked automatically and you can see the version, it's New York because this particular instance is on New York and not on Quebec. And and when you are downloading, it will automatically pick up the version of your instance and will download that particular MIT server. So if you are on New York, it will download the New York MIT server, otherwise Quebec, it will download the Quebec MIT server. Okay, if I go down here, I'll just validate this and it should be up in no time. And we can also make this server available for some specific applications. We can do it for all and all capabilities and all IP ranges. So you can have your IP ranges defined in here, and if you want to run it for some specific application, maybe for SecOps you want to have a different MIT server, and for other applications you want to have a different MIT server. So let's give it a minute. So you see it has been validated now and the status is up. So we have set up our MIT server successfully. I'll mark the step as complete and we'll go back to the item guided setup, and you can see I can mark this as complete. So this is how you can actually set up your MIT server in no time. Thank you for watching video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.